Yo guys, Daniel everything here, and today we're going to do Minecraft Java Edition Part 4, and I can't wait. Okay, hurry up and load. It feels so blue in here. Okay, now back to game. Since no one comment and subscribe. Oh yeah, before the video and last what do you call it? The chicken actually didn't get in the pen because I actually made a mistake. So let me get the chicken right here. Come on, chicken. I'm gonna have to go in there. No. No. No, come back, chicken, come back. Sorry. I didn't know that was the right button. Chicken, come back. Chicken, come back. Sorry. Come on, chicken. Come on. Come back, chicken. Come on. Okay, good. Three, two. I'm scared. 3, 2. Yay, we got the chicken in. Right. Okay, let me. Okay, got the chicken in there. I have to go get some coal first, then we can go. Then we can start. It's lagging. Look how. If you guys are wondering why I haven't went to the cave yet, because I'm scared. It's like my first time playing Java Edition as recording a video, so that's why if you guys have asking, yeah. Probably next episode I might go in the cave. I might go in the cave next episode. I might go in the cave because I'm scared to go in the cave. Go, jump, okay. Leave a like if you're pro at Minecraft Java Edition, because I'll see. Go up. Go up. I wish I can use a controller. Controller's way more easier. Ow, that hurt. I swear, if I fall in a cave, I'm ending my series. Where's my house? No, don't tell me. Okay, so this time, if 2 people comment on the next, let me check if someone commented on the video. Let me go see, your videos. Minecraft Java. Where's Minecraft Java? No. It's past before cousin Elijah was here. You guys actually don't like 10 things that I can't live without. It's like, what? Most popular. I got so 100 views already. Sorry if I'm taking too long. Cut until I check. I actually finally found it, and the comments were off, and I'm mad now because the comments off. Okay. What? If I'm quiet, because I cannot find my house. What the? I'm gonna call this Lost My House video. Lost My House video, Lost My House video part 3 Java Edition Minecraft. Oh. Okay. Okay, I'm going to turn. Okay, good. Yeah. Okay, I'm just gonna dig right here that I can get like close. Because I can get more cobblestone. If I find a cave, I'm gonna be scared. I dig straight down, I could've. Right. Java Edition's hard. No. Oh my gosh. Oh. W-E-R. Okay. Let me grab this. Take this out of my hand too. Oh my god. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna call this video Decorating My Underground Base. Now, isn't it nighttime? Oh no, it's morning time. Because it looks like nighttime. This is where we're gonna be cooking up vids. This is where we cook up vids. This is where people copy my vids. It makes me mad. Perfect. Can I do like slash? Oh darn it, I didn't even put cheats. I can't even cheat. No, this is not a fun Minecraft. I'm just no, I'm playing. You guys might love this series. If you guys do, This probably got a lot of views. This already has 32 views on part 1. Oh my god, okay, good. Eat some food. Eat. Weird. I want to do something before the video ends, though. Oak stairs. I want to get... Okay. Okay, I think that's perfect. Okay, let me decorate my base. Remember to subscribe, hit that like button, do all that stuff. Okay, let me go back up. Go back up. Let me make this nicer. Ooh, wood. Wood. Ooh. Wood looks nice. I didn't put cobblestone. That looks dirty. Okay, let me put this right here. Okay, perfect. Perfect. It looks nicer. Okay, now I'm gonna change this to cobblestone. Like, make it nicer. Now I'm gonna call this decorating my house. Thanks. Whoa. Okay. And remember, this is on hardcore. So if I die, video ends. The series ends. I might start a new series, just going on different servers on Minecraft Java Edition, but that's the only thing. Okay. Okay. Ooh, it looks nice. It looks stinky good. Stinking good. Stinking good is so good. Okay. Perfect. Looks nicer. Now I'll probably have like on the roof have cobblestone, but right here I might have something like cooking, because I'm actually gonna make stone, and I think it looks way more nicer than cobblestone, and I'm gonna add that to the top and make it that it can make light in here, because we're running out of light. Perfect. Whew. I might have to go in the cave. I'm going to go in the cave, and if the series ends, I'm gonna cry after. Guys, no, please. Almost just at the series end, but we got some iron. Now we can make me an iron pickaxe. Oh, remember guys, I'm not gonna do my outro for a reason. Okay. Good way to end our outro. finding iron.